Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtake Markets. This is for Tuesday the 1st of April. I'm going to move on now to sterling dollar for cable, and this is another currency that has been fairly circumspect in the early European trading hours, and I think that comes in front of the key UK manufacturing PMI and also the ISM number this afternoon. So what we're looking at on the daily chart is 5 consecutive higher lows now over the past week. Cable has continued to rally. The latest reaction low is at 66.10, so that's a key mark for us on the downside. It looks like cable is pushing towards the 67.16 mark here, which is a reaction high in March. The outlook remains positive. These momentum indicators are increasingly positive now. The stochastics are pushing strongly higher. MACD lines have had a bullish crossover, and the RSI pushing higher as well. So we're positive on this. On the intraday chart, you'll see that this recovery continues. It's being flanked by this 55-hour moving average, which is nicely rising at 66.44, and the higher lows are being supported around about the breakout levels as well, so the previous breakout levels. So that is also a key development within this uptrend. So the latest breakout high was 66.47. That came in, and it seems to be that cable is looking to form support around that 66.50 level, which, to be honest, is a fairly historic level of resistance, now becoming support anyway, so that's interesting in itself. As I said, it is pushing higher. Cable, that was the 66.10 low yesterday, and it looks to be pushing higher towards that key high from March at 67.16. These momentum indicators on the hourly chart are all in bullish configuration. The MACD lines are nicely camped above the neutral line. RSI is also nicely finding support, continues to just below that 50 mark, and continues to make gains off the back of that. So any sort of dip towards 50 on the RSI could be considered to be a buying opportunity, arguably. And it looks as though this one has got further gains in it. You've got what I would say is the potential for further upside towards that 67.16 level, and the only caveat I would say to this is the fundamental data that comes out today, which could certainly have an impact on this chart. Certainly, if the US ISM number comes out strongly, well above 54, then this could sharply create a bit of a correction in this cable chart. But at the moment, certainly running on technicals and probably what you'd say is inline announcements on the ISM numbers, this chart is pushing higher. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.